Hi Storytime friends. I'm Miss Jami, an early literacy associate from the Woodneath Library Center. And today we're going to do a rhyme about laundry. There's a washing machine and some dirty socks. So if you'll help me, we'll count down and throw those dirty socks in the laundry pile to be washed. It's called 5 pairs of dirty socks. You can use your fingers to count along with me. 5 pairs of dirty socks on my bedroom floor. Mom washed the blue pair, and then there were 4. So we're gonna take the blue pair and throw it on top of the laundry machine. There we go. 4 pairs of dirty socks that belong to me. Mom washed the red pair, and then there were 3. Throw those in the laundry. 3 pairs of dirty socks. What's a kid to do? Mom washed the green pair, and then there were 2. Which one's green? Oh, this one's green. Throw it in the laundry pile. 2 pairs of dirty socks. I wear them when I run. Mom washed the purple pair. Now there's only 1. There's those purple socks. 1 pair of dirty socks. 1 and only 1. Mom washed the last pair. My favorite pair is gone. No more dirty socks. Mom washed them all today. But wait until tomorrow, 'cause there's more on the way. Dirty underwear, whoo-wee. Make sure it gets washed. Thanks for sharing this rhyme with me today. Have a great day.